guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I've got my Audi A1 behind me in my dad's garage. This is the second time now I've nicked his garage. I think, personally, we should start a petition in the comments for my dad to just give me the garage, because, you know. But for today's video, we've actually got an exciting one. I love these type of videos, and I haven't done one on this car yet. So we're actually going to be filming, hold on, let me just grab everything. We're filming a car accessory video. I love these type of videos, they're so fun. So we've got multiple different things to add to my Audi A1, just to make it look better. So let me just stop talking and let's install these parcels onto my Audi A1. Let's just make it look better. It's gonna look 10 out of 10. I need to stop saying that. I must say my car looks 10 out of 10 in every video. Babe, she looks like a 210 half the time, so I'm just flat out lying here, but here we are. Okay, so the first car accessory I've got is actually quite a small one, but you know, it's always nice to have a new one of these. I've actually got, it's in this fancy pink box, like, that's a vibe. Like, that's an actual vibe. A big shout out to my sister, because she actually bought me this back when I had the Citroen, and I was like, I'm going to save it for my new car, which was my black one, and then I never got around to putting it in. That car did not deserve anything. If we open it, you guys might know what these are actually. But if we open it, this is actually a car perfume. It's an air freshener. It's a car air freshener. Car perfume just sounds fancy as fuck, which is what it says on the back, so I'm not lying. But they smell so good. It's like a premium air freshener, like, oh, and you get like a little spare refill. So let's hop in my car and actually put this in, because I've been needing to put this in for so long now. So let's go put it in my car and make it smell, oh, it's gonna smell so good. My passengers are some lucky people. I mean, they're definitely not, because my car's actually well dirty every time you get in it, but like, oh, that smells so good. Can you get out though? That's so nice. Oh my god, my car, I've just upgraded, right, from an Audi A1 to an Audi S1, just from the smell. Wow. So big shout out to my sister for actually buying me that, because you've made my car smell fancy as fuck, like top tier. But before I show you guys the next car accessory for the Audi, I want to give a big shout out to the sponsors of today's video, Car Vertical. Car Vertical is a used car history checker that shows you a vehicle's entire history to make sure that when you buy it, you aren't going to end up with a ton of hidden issues. Car Vertical can show you if there's been any mileage tampering involved, if your cars have been reported as stolen. Because imagine buying a car and then you just find out it's literally been stolen. Like, you'd probably just cry. Car Vertical can also show you if your cars have been involved in a crash or has any damage of any kind. Because we all know it can be a very stressful experience buying a used car, and you want to make sure that your hard-earned money is going to a good place, and that's why Car Vertical is so important and so good, as it shows you guys the history of a used vehicle, so you can make sure that you're not buying one that's just going to have problem after problem after problem. But before I show you guys an example, if you guys are interested in Car Vertical, click the link in the description to get an automatic 10% off, or use my discount code Chloe, which will also get you 10% off. So let me show you guys how Car Vertical actually works. So if you're in the market for a Seat Leon and you manage to find one that you like, either on Facebook or Auto Trader, you take the VIN or the registration number, pop it into Car Vertical, and it'll give you an entire report for the previous history of that specific car. So I've actually found a report here for a Seat Leon, and as you guys can see straight away, there's no record that the vehicle's ever been stolen or involved in any sort of theft. And the good thing about Car Vertical is it actually does a police database check in multiple different countries, so you can make sure your vehicle is not stolen in any of them as well. And as you guys can see, the odometer is also all good, and Car Vertical actually gives you a mileage graph, and from this one we can actually see that the mileage is going up as you'd expect when you have a used car. From this Car Vertical report we can also see that the financial and legal status is all good. However, from this report we can see that there's actually a warning light on damage, and if you scroll down you can actually see that this vehicle has been damaged 2 times and was marked as an insurance write-off. We can see here that it was actually written off as category S, so it says it's repairable but it's structural damage. And the good thing about Car Vertical reports is they actually give you photos to go along with it. So as you guys can see, in 2018 this Seat Leon was involved in a front end collision, and you can actually see the damage is pretty brutal. And that's why Car Vertical is so good, because it allows you to see all of the damage that's been done to the vehicle, which maybe if you were just buying a used car you wouldn't actually know about. So if you guys are in the market for a used car, go check out Car Vertical and click the link in the description to get an automatic 10% off, or use my discount code Chloe, which will also get you 10% off. And go put a vehicle's registration through Car Vertical before you buy it, so you don't end up with problem after problem after problem and save yourself some money, like. But yeah, I want to give another big shout out to Car Vertical for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, let's go put the next car accessory onto my Audi A1. Let's go. Okay, so the next car accessory I've got is actually in this. You could actually kill someone with this. Not that, not that I want it. I'm just saying. Well, you guys might be able to guess what it. Might be able to guess what it is. Oh my days, sir. Please. Da, 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 da. That's the cutest thing. Why is everything pink in this video? In here is actually a SUNSTRIP for my car. That's gonna look so much better. I'm actually gassed. This SUNSTRIP, right, it's literally from Amazon. It's, I think, £10, and it's the best SUNSTRIP I've like ever had. Like, I've used it on all my cars. I had it on the Citroen like 3 times because I failed the MOT, so I had to take it off and re-put it on. I know other people that have used this one for their car. Like, it's so good. I'll leave a link to it down below if you guys want to get it. But it is a really good SUNSTRIP. Like, it doesn't fly off, nothing. So definitely go get it. I actually had my friend Max coming around to help me fit this because putting a SUNSTRIP on, I feel like it's just easier with 2 people, like one side. So like, Max is coming around to help me do that, and he's gonna help me film some other stuff anyway. So big shout out to Max. Follow him on Instagram, guys. It's at Max Mumford. Link it down below, so go check him out. He's got a Polo GTI. It's pretty sick. He hasn't had it long, but he's gonna have a lot of plans to it. So go check him out on Instagram.
Is it filming?
Yeah. I've recruited extra help. We got Marcus helping now.
If it doesn't look clean, it's fucking filthy.
I'm pretty sure Marcus then took pity on me for my absolutely dirty and disgusting car. So he nicely said he'd actually clean it for me. So big shout out to him. And go check his business out, guys. It's at PRISTINETINTSANDDETAILING on Instagram. I'll leave everything down below. But yeah, he's super sick. So go check him out and show him some love. Because my guy managed to sort my shit box out, so he can do anything.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again.
Okay, so the next thing I'm adding to the car is actually in this envelope. This envelope's actually from the Decal Studio. So basically, now I've got these back windows tinted, I really wanted to get some Instagram and YouTube stickers on here. So I ordered some off the Decal Studio. If you guys haven't heard about her, she's so good. Like, her stickers are top tier. You'll customize them however you want. You can get like big like back screen decals, or you can get like small stickers. I've got some YouTube ones and some Instagram ones. So I'm gonna put one of each on both side back windows. If you guys are interested, go check out the Decal Studio on Instagram. I'll leave a link below. But yeah, let's get these stuck on my back windows, and I'm so excited.
a sponsor today by Mylock. Yeah, steering wheel lock. There you go, sick mate.
Wow, that's actually quite good, you know. Fucking YouTube in the making. Damn. Okay, so it's actually a few days later, as you guys can probably tell, because we've now got a chameleon tint on my window. If you guys watched my previous video, DH styling actually a chameleon tint on my car, so that looks sick. So big shout out to them. Give them a message on Instagram if you guys are interested in getting yourself some chameleon tint, window tints, anything like that. Yeah, check them out because they're super sick. But yeah, the next car accessory I've got is actually this beast. So this is actually a steering wheel lock from Mylock, and this is the baseball bat version, but it's so sick. Just look at it, it's actually well cool. But yeah, basically guys, so obviously my car is, I love her, and if she ever got stolen, I'd actually be gutted. I'd probably cry for days. And yeah, that's why protecting your vehicle is so important. It doesn't matter if you've got a Citroen C1 or if you've got like an Audi R8, it really doesn't matter. It's your hard-earned money you spent on it, and that's why protecting your vehicle is so important. That's why Mylock's top tier, because they're helping you keep your vehicle protected at all times. But let's hop into my car and I will show you guys how the Mylock steering wheel lock actually works. Let's go. So the steering wheel locks from Mylock are actually super simple and easy to use. You literally just put it to the top of your steering wheel, twist this handle, and it'll kind of lock in place. I will show you guys, if I take the camera, if you can see. It's got these little clamps underneath that kind of clamp onto your steering wheel, so obviously that wouldn't be able to move anymore. And yeah, your steering wheel will literally be locked in place there and no one will be able to drive it. Yeah, then it's super easy. I've literally got the key here. You just pop it in, twist it, the handle will re-come up, and then it'll unlock itself. So yeah, it's actually super convenient. Like, you can take it with you anywhere, and it's super easy to just put on and lock. And obviously when you want to leave, you can, when you've got the keys, you can unlock it super easy. So yeah, it's just really convenient, and it keeps your vehicle protected at all times, so it's top tier. So you guys might think that standard steering wheel locks are really ugly, and that's why Mylock is completely different, because their steering wheel locks are completely customizable. I actually have the baseball bat version, but there's so many different versions you can buy. So I've actually got a second baseball bat steering wheel lock here, and this is a white one, but it's been customized with an S-Line decal on it to obviously match the fact that my car is an S-Line. With Mylock, their steering wheel locks are completely customizable. You can add whatever decals you want, have whatever color you want. If you've got your car wrapped, let's say Vegas yellow for example, Mylock will color match your steering wheel. Mylock.
You're looking fucking great today.
Mylock will completely color match. Fucking color match. Mylock will colour match your steering wheel lock to match your car, so that'll look sick for a start. And that's why Mylock is super sick, as well as looking cool, it also protects your vehicle, which is the most important, obviously. But yeah, if you guys are interested in buying yourself a Mylock steering wheel lock to protect your vehicle, go check out their website and their Instagram. I'll leave a link to everything down below, and use my discount code Chloe, which will get you 15% off. And go protect your vehicle, because it's so important. You can go to bed at night knowing that your car is protected. Who doesn't want a good night's sleep? Because I do, so. Okay, so the next car accessory I've got is also from Mylock. This company is literally just providing. These actually super important, as my car's not keyless entry, so obviously it's locked right now, but if you put the key next to it, it unlocks itself. So basically these are key pouches, and what they are is you basically put your car key inside it and it blocks all signals from your keys. So yeah, as you guys can see, I've literally just locked my car. So yeah, basically how it works is you just pop your car key into the pouch, close it up, and it'll block all signals from your keys. So if I go up here now, obviously it's still locked. So yeah, again, it literally just protects your car from getting stolen, because obviously keyless entry is much easier to steal a car. So they're only small, but they literally will save you. So honestly, go buy some, save yourself from getting your car stolen, because no one wants that. So yeah. Again, I want to give a massive shout out to Mylock for helping me protect my car. So go check them out, guys. The link to everything will be in the description. Use my discount code Chloe, which will get you 15% off. And yeah, go protect your vehicle. That's literally all I have to say. Okay, so the last car accessory I've got is actually quite a small one, but like, we've got a SUNSTRIP on the car now, which obviously we installed at the start of the video, and I feel like it's only right to do this. Like, once you have a SUNSTRIP, you just have to do it. So I've got loads of stickers here from all the companies I've worked with on this car so far. So obviously we've got Mylock, which we literally just did. The Decal Studio again. Got my Instagram and YouTube stickers from them. Cobra Sport Exhaust, my fucking favourites. Tanner Tints. I've just got a random Instagram one. My mum got me these actually, so I'm going to put them on the SUNSTRIP too, because fuck it, why not? Oxtune, I left my black Audi one at their garage for like 3 weeks, and they also helped me with this car at one point to just do something small. So they're super sick guys down there. And then I got a decal from Blame Faction as well. So again, check them out, guys. I'll leave the link to everyone down below. So go check them out, because they're all super sick companies and they've all helped me massively with this Audi A1 so far. So yeah, I'm gonna stick them all up on my SUNSTRIP, and yeah, it'll be cute. I'm excited. Yeah, so that's the stickers on the SUNSTRIP. Obviously you've got Cobra, Tanner Tints, Decal Studio, and I've got some more this side. This side looks sick actually, I think it's the colour. But yeah, it's literally just a small thing, but I just like, it's kind of cool to sit in here and then you can just see all the companies I've worked with and that have helped me with this car. So like, it's pretty sick. Like, you can't see very well, but yeah, I'm happy with it. Looks cool. But yeah, I am unfortunately going to end today's video here. Let's do a quick little rundown of everything we've added to the car today. But yeah, first we obviously added the SUNSTRIP to my car. I fucking love the SUNSTRIP. I think it looks sick. Massive shout out to Marcus and Max for helping me with that one. I just stood there and watched. I didn't actually do anything. So, top tier, thanks guys. Yeah, next up we've obviously got the stickers. My Instagram and YouTube stickers. These are from the Decal Studio. These are top tier stickers, like she knows what she's doing. Quality is mad. They're so glittery. The Instagram one is so glittery, I love it. But yeah, go check out the Decal Studio. I'll leave a link to her Instagram down below. And yeah, go check her out, awesome stickers. Tell her I sent you as well. Tell her I sent you. Yeah, and if we head back around this side of the car, obviously we have got the Mylock steering wheel lock. This is sick. This helps protect your car. I'm obsessed. The colour is also very pretty. So yeah, again, like I said earlier, completely customizable to your car. Yeah, use my discount code Chloe to get 15% off. Everything about Mylock will be linked down below. Again, from Mylock, we've got the keyless pouches. Super simple, but save your car. Simple as that. The first thing we added was obviously this fancy air freshener. That smells so good. It's been there for like a week now. It smells sick. And then lastly, we obviously added all the company stickers to the SUNSTRIP that have obviously helped with this car. So we've got Cobra Sport Exhaust, Decal Studio, Tanner Tints, Mylock, Oxtune Club, Blame Faction. So all sick companies. All helped massively with this Audi A1. So yeah, go check them all out, guys. Also, nearly forgot, because obviously it's been weeks now, so you can't judge it on this, right? But you guys would have seen that Marcus, Pristine Tints and Detailing, actually cleaned my car for me, and it looked so good. Don't look at it now because it's been sat on my road for weeks, so it's a little bit dirty. But you guys would have seen it earlier in the video. He's super sick, so yeah, go check him out as well. Pristine Tints and Detailing. Follow him on Instagram. Tell him I sent you. Go get a car cleaned by him because he's sick. Like, my car's never looked better. So I will be also hitting him up soon to clean my car again because it needs it. But yeah, I am unfortunately going to end today's video here, guys. Hopefully you have enjoyed. We've added all the little car accessories to my Audi A1. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, guys, at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you, or will see you, in my next video. Bye!